Canton Network hasn't had a previous bull run, and the cryptos that survive over the bear market and go into their first bull market usually do really well, which is why I still believe that Canton Network, sitting under $5 billion market cap, still has a lot of upside potential, considering that burns are exploding through their roof and they have so many new partnerships that are coming down the pipeline. I'm very bullish on Canton Network and CC token. So if you guys are new to the channel and you hold CC, stay until the end. If you like this info and these updates that I do, stay until the end and subscribe, because guys, listen, I try to upload 2 to 3 videos every single day, and your support in getting me to 20K will help a lot. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So boom, right off the rip, what we always do is start off with the overall market cap. Now, crypto right now is sitting at 2.19 trillion. I don't know if you guys remember, but we've hit an all-time high for the entire crypto market cap of just over 4 trillion. Now we are down basically 50% of that. And guys, the entire crypto market right now isn't too hot, right? Bitcoin sitting at 64,000, fear and greed is sitting at around 33, Ethereum is at 1,850. Crypto markets are basically at prices that we used to be in around early 2025, right? We peaked out in October of 2025, and a lot of people thought the bottom for Bitcoin came in February of 2025, but I'm here to tell you that was not the case, and that's something that I've been saying for a while as well. And that still doesn't mean that 2026 can't be that year where you accumulate, because in all honesty, guys, whether you were dollar cost averaging in February of 2026 or your dollar cost averaging now, it makes no difference as long as you guys get your feet wet. Now, the absolute bottom, no one is going to be able to time that, right? However, there are opportunities that arise every single day inside the crypto market. I mean, just like we saw within the last couple of weeks, right? We saw Robinhood exploding recently, and now let's take a look at Canton Network, because this project over here has so much potential for upside growth. We still don't have Coinbase or Binance listing for Canton as well, and it's already a $4.88 billion crypto, is already sitting on the top 20 as well, which is absolutely massive. The price of it did take a little bit of a tumble within the last couple weeks, down from a market cap of, I want to say, 5.6 billion down to about 4.88, with some concerns that arose from the CEO of the project, which I still do believe, guys, that it'll iron itself out. It'll work itself out. These guys are still building. They're still coming out with news on their X account, and they've been building for a really long time. Even though the token just got listed recently, right? The crypto was made available to trade. Canton Network is something that they have been building and acquiring these partnerships and expanding their ecosystem for much longer than 2025, because the chart shows that it started in November 2025, but the backstory about Canton Network goes years back. I think even as far as maybe 2015. Now, with that being said, guys, we did lose a very integral support after that dump that we had. We dumped in July, and then we tried to retest his level, tried to secure it. We weren't able to, guys, and then we got bounced off. And now I am a little bit worried about the future price action for Canton and CC token, because this area right over here is a very, very strong support area, and the fact that we already lost it isn't a good sign, and the fact that we were rejected off it is even worse, right? So what I would like to see for Canton token in the short term is a retest of that 0.13, 0.139 area, guys, a retest of it, potentially a break above it, and then a retest towards the downside, signaling it as a strong support area, which right now it's kind of flipped into a resistance area, as we could see here. Now, if you guys are day trading this, here's just a quick markup. You go over to daily, you identify highs and lows. You could then go over into the 1 hour chart, and you can see here that it is bouncing off that really well, and you can see that kind of like a little bottom here is forming as well, right? So opening up a long position in this area wouldn't be off the table. Obviously, not financial advice. Now, let's go over back to the 1 day, and let's just see if we're able to, let's see, if we're able to make some lows here. So boom, marked here, marked here. There could be a low that formed over here as well. So this could potentially be a new low for Canton, guys. If you guys are obviously looking to make some leverage trades, which I do not do personally, but I do know how to leverage trade. And if you guys want to know what I'm doing at this given moment, how I'm trading cryptos, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, you want to make sure that you're part of the inner circle. This is my private Discord community where you get access to all of my buy and sell calls. Every single thing that I buy into, every single thing that I sell, all of my thought process, how I navigate these markets is all inside of the inner circle. And the best part is we have weekly live streams as well. So if you guys are interested, click the link down below and join. And Canton Network, now you can see new partnership with Canborza. Canborza now supports USDC on Canton Network. You can swap CC and USDCX directly on Canborza and use USDCX as collateral. Absolutely amazing, guys. Doesn't even stop there. Canton and Fortify. You can see Fortify now supports Canton Network, a full integration with the Canton blockchain ecosystem. That is phenomenal. You love to see things like this happen, especially in a bear market. Now, here's what I wanted to touch on. The burn rate is exploding on the Canton network. Transactions more than tripled today as institutional volume hits a blockchain. This is what real RWA utility looks like. CC is literally burning up right now. If you guys want RWA exposure, I genuinely do believe that Canton network is one of the best, if not the best one. I do believe that Ondo is another very serious player in the space. But as of right now, guys, I think that Canton network is leading the way. If we go over to let's see. If we're able to go to RWA protocols, we have Stellar, Chainlink, Adera. Not sure why Canton Network isn't showing up here, but it obviously is an RWA project. And let's keep going. Canton's burn engine is waking up. 4.2 billion CC tokens gone. And daily burns are accelerating. Come September, the CIP draft flips a switch on all subnets burning CC. The equilibrium is shifting quietly, then all at once. And here is a big player as well. HSBC became the first company approved by the Bank of England to launch digital assets in the UK's digital security sandbox, supporting tokenized bond insurance and settlement. Bank of England is basically saying, hey, we're shaking hands with Canton Network. UK is on its way to Canton Network. Remember, HSBC Orion is built on top of Canton Network. This is obviously very massive, guys. You love to see things like this happen for Canton. And again, CC holders, do not lose conviction just because of short-term price action. When in doubt, zoom out. And when I say zoom out, guys, I mean take a macro look at the markets right now. Look at all the crypto tailwinds right now, right? Bitcoin is barely surviving above 60,000. The entire crypto market isn't doing the greatest, so don't just compare a single altcoin to the success, or sorry, the single altcoin that you guys hold to the success. Compare it. Don't just hold a single altcoin success to a high extent or to a high standard when the entire market is kind of down. That was hard for me to get out. But listen, if you guys enjoyed and you want more exposure into the markets, you want to be able to buy exactly what I buy into and make gains along with me, click the link down below and join the inner circle. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.